Hello guys, welcome to another video of Microsoft Azure. In this video, we are going to discuss about how we can create the support request or support ticket in Microsoft Azure and how we can get help from Azure support team or Azure technical team for any issues which generally we get in our resources. If you have any issues or anything inside your resource, you can basically create the support request with Azure and Azure team will be able to help you on that issue. Okay, so we'll see that and we'll create one support ticket and see how we can do that. Okay, so to create a support ticket, basically you can create this either on your subscription level or your resource group level or even on your resource level. Okay, so if you go to your subscription, let me open my subscription here. If you have any issues inside your subscription, then you can simply open your subscription, click on help, and from here support plus troubleshooting, you can go here and you can create one support ticket from here. Apart from this, you can open your resource group. So suppose this is my resource group. Even from here you can go to help and click on support plus troubleshooting. So you will be able to create the support ticket based on your resource group level. Okay, or if you need to access your support ticket or view previously created support tickets, generally type support and you will find help plus support inside the services. Open that. Here you will see everything about the support tickets. Okay, if you want to create the support request, you can do that. If you want to choose the correct or right support plan for you, you can do that. So that this is kind of SLA, how quickly Azure team will help you. This support plan you will have to select for your subscription. If you are using free tier, you won't have any support plan. Okay, you can see all support requests from here, whatever the tickets you might have created, and you can see everything here. Okay, and from here as well, see if you want to upgrade your support plan for this. For me, this is a basic support plan. If you want something more than that, you can create it. Generally, if you are having some organization, then you can select the professional direct support plan so that you will get more features inside the support ticket request. Okay, you will see the pricing as well. This will be $29 monthly for the developer, and for professional it will be $1,000 monthly. Okay, if you go to overview from here as well, you can click on create a support request and you can create the issue directly here. But there is one issue. If you create it from here, you will have to select all the resources, everything by yourself. You won't get the resources and other things selected by your own. But if you go to any of the resource, suppose this is my resource, and create your support request from here, everything will be selected by default, like this resource and all. You will have to just select the issues what you are facing. You will have to describe your issue only. Okay, so let's now see how we can create the support ticket. We already have seen we can create the support ticket based on subscription, resource group, and also on resource level. Okay, so suppose I have some issue in this container instance. This is not running, or some issue with managed identity, or any type of issue related to Azure. You can come here in help and create one support ticket. Okay, so here it is asking me to briefly describe the issue. So I will write some issue automatically here. Connect container is starting automatically. Container is restarting automatically. Okay, just click on go. So if you just click on go, it will just suggest you some solutions or something like that, or it will take you to the community forums or documentation. You can check it there. Okay, which services are you having issue with container instance, you can select, and it will help you to troubleshoot the issue as well. Okay, you can troubleshoot it and see the documentation and recommended solutions from here. But still you are not satisfied, you can go there, like see these are some of the observations and solution this is giving, and these are some of the documentation. If you are not able to resolve the issues again using all these things, once you click on go back, you will get this option create a support request. Okay, just click on this create a support request. In somehow if you are not getting this button create a support request here in the resource, you can always go there, you can always type here support and open help plus support, and you can always create a support ticket from there as well. Okay, so but this is what I was saying, like see I have everything selected, services, resource, and everything is already pre-selected here. But if you are creating the support ticket by going here, you will have to select everything by your own. Okay, so service type is container instance, resource is selected, and summary is also there. You can type your problem, what is the problem type, like connectivity or something like that. So if this is issue with connectivity, you can select the connectivity. But our issue, because I have selected it is restarting automatically, so it seems like this is related with configuration and setup. Okay, once that is done, select the problem subtype. Okay, you can select based on this ACI stalls during creation or whatever you have the issues, cannot access metrics, logs or events. We can select this because our connect container is restarting automatically. Once done, click on next. It will recommend you some solution based on your inputs. But if you are not satisfied with this solution, you can always back to previous page, like it is suggesting some solutions. If you are not satisfied, back to previous page and click on return to support request. Click on next. Okay, here you will have to provide the additional details. Since my I don't have any support plan inside this subscription, I'm not getting the option to provide the additional details. Here, once you have the plan or for your organizations, you will get all the details, like you will have to provide the summary of the request, like what is the issue. You can attach the screenshot, and after that you will have to just provide the communication details. Okay, you will have to provide the communication details. You will have to add your email address and phone number. So on that phone number and email address only, Azure team will reach you and will resolve your issue. Here any additional details, you won't have to do much. You'll just have to, add the email address and about your details, about your support request details. You can attach a screenshot, you can add the description, or you can attach the error which you are getting in there, and something like that. Okay, once that is done, you can click on next and it will give you an option to review and create. Okay, simply you can just click on review plus create. Once support request is created, you will have to select the severity as well. You can select 1, 2, 3 or ABC based on your uh, based on your support plan, and you can say like based on the severity of your issue. If this is a blocker and in production, you can create or upgrade your severity, or generally for minor issues you can create a support request of type C severity. Okay, or the B1. If you have some issues in production, you can always create one support request so that the people from Microsoft Azure will be able to respond you immediately. Okay, on the call. Okay, so this is how we can create the support request. Once you have click on review plus create, you will get one email notification, and Microsoft Azure team will reach you on the email until your support request or you have created a type A, you can say severity ticket. Then they will reach you on the phone. Okay, so that's it from this video. We have seen how we can create the support request even on the resource level, or even on subscription, or even by going to this help plus support service, where we can create the support tickets and see all our support requests from here. Okay, so that's it from this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any feedback or suggestions, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.